right, special thanks to these guys. Again, this company sent me their 21 piece of magnetic hex nut driver sets. Not a whole lot of activity on the box, but the back does tell you all the information you'd need to know. 14 piece magnetic hex nut driver, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 11mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, all the other sizes, 3-piece hex impact socket adapter and 1-piece magnetic bit holder, and all the sizes for the driver socket adapters. So very nice product. Let's open this on up. See what we have down in here. Oh, look at that. Oh man. So that's it for the box. Very nice. Got the company logo there. Nice case, blue teal color. And then, whoa. All right. Well, that is pretty darn nice. Wow. So they're all nicely labeled. That's really good. Feels like really, really good material. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap made or anything. Feels pretty nice. And then each one of these are even also, see, 6mm right there, labeled. You know which one you need to grab. 8, 10, there's a 14. Wow. All right. Well, that's everything that would, of course, come in here. I mean, I'm very pleased with the look of them. I love the little extra teal color in there. And this case just makes it where you can keep it all very nicely and neatly organized. So 2 big thumbs up to this company, because this is a great looking and feeling product. Very nice. So that'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.